What's going on, everybody? Welcome to episode 6. We're currently in the car, and this button-up shirt's gonna go into a regular shirt. So, let's hit the road. G'day everybody, and welcome to the town of Gatton. Right now we're in front of the Gatton Civic Centre, and it's quite a windy day. It's also Christmas, so they've got the Christmas tree out here. Check out how nice this building is. The Gatton Civic Centre was made on the 8th of July, 1957. The Gatton Guide. So basically this shows you everything that you need to know about Gatton. But over here is something a little bit better. So right here we have this little box of information all about what's going on in the Lockyer Valley. And isn't it great? Centre of Gatton, you've got your local banks like your Commonwealth, NAB, and even your Heritage. And down here you've got your super cheap, better home, reject shop, auto shops. And further down there is our local Target. But first, let's have a look at the reject shop. That's a hot man. Killer whale shirt. We're out here in front of the Lockyer Valley Cultural Centre. So this place is also the Visitor Information Centre, the Staging Post Cafe and Restaurant, the Queensland Transport Museum, also the Conference and Function Centre, the Art Gallery and the Library. So this place really encapsulates everything that is the Lockyer Valley and Gatton. This place is massive. There's also Lake Apex down the back, looking a little dry at the moment. And a few little things, few little monuments to recognize the history of this place. So let's go check it out. This is the map of the Lockyer Valley. Epic. Here at Gatton, there's no exception. They've got parks, so we're going to use them. Follow me. You gotta get your daily swings in. Or otherwise, what are you doing with your life? And if you're having too much fun, you can just sit back and relax and watch everybody else have fun while you just sit down. Welcome to Apex Lake. It's looking a bit dry, but we're going to take a dip anyway. In Gatton, they have the Lights on the Hill Coach Drivers and Truck Drivers Memorial. So this remembers all of the people that have died in the line of truck driving and coach driving out on the roads out here. It's a pretty dangerous job. There's a lot of people, you know, a lot of bad things are happening. So it's really good to just pay the respects to the drivers.
Right behind me is the Gatton Historical Village, and you just get to learn all about the different types of historical moments here in Gatton. Just learn it all. Well, most of it anyway. It's pretty epic.
Here at the Gatton Square Charter Hall. So right here they have the Coles, Subway, McDonald's, discount drugstore, crazy bargains, and it's just, you know, right next to this cursed church. So let's go check it out, gamers.
I love Coles. So right behind me is the water tower of Gatton. Well, most likely is anyway. And you can look down upon the Gatton town from all the way up there. So the main road is just down there, and the tower is all the way up here, and you can see everything.
Behind me is the sign to the Gatton Racecourse. Over here we have the fire station, the Peace Haven, Lutheran Church's retirement accommodation, KFC, a church, and then just around here we have another cursed church. Let's go check out that police station.
Out on one of the main roads of Gatton, you've got your Repco, your local Gatton police station, and if you look up here, it's Gatton's fifth cursed church. How many churches do these guys need?
Guys, we're only 5 subscribers away from getting 40 subscribers, and I know everybody can subscribe to this video and just watch it. So yeah, just make sure to subscribe, give this video a massive like, and hey, watch more videos. We're going everywhere in Queensland. Nowhere's off the table, we're doing everything. So yeah guys, make sure to check out the rest of the videos, check out Ryan's channel. There's so much content for you to enjoy. So yeah, later broskies, like this video.
Huggers. How does that make you feel? How does it make you feel? How does it make you feel?